Welcome to TradeHappy, a community of traders learning how to be profitable and happy. Today we're going to be having a look at the market. We're going to be doing some market analysis on all the pairs that we trade, combining Fibonacci, round numbers and trend trading for a strategy that anyone can follow. We're starting off on Euro AUD, and I've just used one of the indicators on TradingView. I think it's just a round number indicator. I think there's only two, so just pick one and plot the numbers onto your chart and you'll get the same as this. So basically it just shows the round numbers on your chart for each of the pairs that you're trading. Super easy to use, nice indicator if you're a short-term trader. Obviously if you're a long-term trader it's useless. But Euro CAD, or Euro AUD, sorry, massive uptrend. And then we've had this giant move down, and then we seem to be making higher lows and lower lows, and we're coming down to this area here. This is an area that I'll be looking at, and then we've also got the high up here. But inside of this we've got a move down here and a retracement, so I'll be looking for shorts. In this area here, so this lines up with the nice round number. What I'll be doing is putting a limit order in right there with the stop loss either here or here, but there's a round number right here which price could trade to, so I'll probably be putting my stop loss at this one, and then if we move down we've got the equal move, symmetrical move down here, which will create a new low, because obviously we've got this low here and then we've got that. So let's see, from this low to here, I think that is actually a really nice area though, because it's not too much of a distance for a price to move below this low here. So that could be a really nice trade for the Monday or the Tuesday, depending on how much the market moves. If we get some consolidation and then move higher and then a move lower, just like this. So consolidation, move higher and then lower. So we'll see what happens there. Euro AUD looks like it could be a nice trade. Euro CAD seem to be in a consolidation right now. So we've come up, consolidated, and then we'll be looking for a move out to the downside or the upside, but we'll have a look at what's going on the daily as well. So as you can see, all of that consolidation in there. I'll probably be expecting price to move lower at that stage. We'll be looking for shorts. Let's just have a look. There could be a short trade coming up soon. We just draw Fibonacci on there. We've got a round number located here, which is next to 62, and then we've also got an order block here. So again, putting limit order in, I will normally put my limit orders in round numbers, just to make it easier. So again, putting it at that level, and the take profit down at the symmetrical move. Obviously this is a trade that is going outside of this consolidation area that I've just mapped out. So if we can get a reversal at this area here, once price starts to move down, just move your stop loss to entry and make sure that you secure the profits. Euro GBP is the next one. So we've had a move up and we're starting to pull back a little bit. I'd probably be looking for buys on here. But I mean, it's a few days away, so maybe start next week. Could be somewhere in this area here. So once price comes down here, maybe next week, so what's the date? 28th. So sometime early April, we could be having a look at a nice move up, maybe the 5th or the 6th. We can have a little look at this and see where the market is. Euro JPY. Not really moved anywhere, to be honest, but we could be having a look at a short at this area here. Let's just draw the Fibonacci on. Yeah, perfect. So again, short position in there, stop loss at the high, or round number I should say, and the take profit symmetrical move. So it's quite a simple strategy. We're just using the trend, having a look at where the trend's going on to the 30-minute time frame, using round numbers, Fibonacci, and it's basically just putting your stop loss at the high, symmetrical move down, nice and easy. So we'll mark Euro JPY as well, Euro NZD. I'll be looking for longs on this. So we need to basically take out these highs here first. So if we can move above this and we can get a little bit of a retracement, then I'll be looking to get into a buy around here, possibly. But nothing on that at the moment. Euro USD. Could be a sell on here. We go into the daily. From the high down to the low, 71%. So what I'll be looking for in here is price action to be consolidating around this area, and then we can get a move down and hopefully get into a short position. GBP AUD seems like it's very choppy. There could be a short-term trade if you're looking for a sell. Sell in there, almost tagged you into that, but sell in there, come down and just take your profits at these lows here. This one would be a trade that you would need to pay close attention to, just because it's a short-term trade. So yeah, make sure that you're at your computer when you actually trade in this one. But I'd personally be looking for longs, just because of the overall trend. As you can see, uptrend here. So instead of looking for shorts, look for longs. So if we can get a little pullback, maybe into this area here, you could look for a long to take out these highs. But nothing on that at the moment. Same with GBP JPY, apart from we've actually had a high here. If we can draw a Fibonacci, could be looking for a long in here. Could be a really nice trade as well. So mark that one. GBP NZD. Again, I'm not really liking this. There's not really any clean moves. So if we come back a little bit, you've got clean move up, and you've got, you know, nice moves. But if we come here, it's too messy for me. I don't really like this, so I'm just going to stay away from that. We could have a buy on GBP USD next week. Low up to the high in this area here. Could be a really nice trade. And again, round number lining up perfectly with the Fibonacci, so that's definitely one that I'll be having a look at. And USD CAD. So it looks like we've had a little bit of a reversal going on. So I'll be looking to get into a short. High down to low. and entry. I suppose there's a round number right on the 62, so instead of using the 71, I'd be using the 62%, and I'd basically be putting my stop loss here instead of up here. But same take profit, symmetrical move. Another really nice trade that could come in next week. So USD JPY seems to have reversed from this level up here, and we're in a down move now. So I'll be having a look for shorts. Again, high, low, 71. Although there's a round number here, so I'll be taking that one instead. At the high, stop loss at the high, and then a symmetrical move down. As you can see, super simple strategy. Works for a lot of pairs, and for just 1 day's analysis, you can see we've got 6 pairs that could have possible trades on. I'm not saying that they are trades, of course, but they're trade setups that could come in next week depending on what the market does. So I'll be keeping an eye on these. I'll be posting them into the community. We've got a Discord community link down below. If you want to join that, you can, and I'll be posting all of the trades in there, posting all the setups and how the setups develop during the week. If you've liked the video, remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We do weekly videos, so remember to come back each week to see updated videos. And I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week.